Greetings, everybody. So, I am continuously getting questions about this. So, I'm going to take a little bit of time, and this is why I created this. I'm creating this video right now because things that you may have done in a previous ALEKS course, or maybe you had a different professor who did things differently. The policy is that you have to use a side view camera, which is why I discourage you from taking your exam at home, because I will not give you the password if you do not follow these directions to the letter. The college or people who came up with this policy are very, very overly concerned about cheating. Therefore, I am encouraging you to take your exams on campus and not using the Respondus lockdown browser. Already, I've had one person do the practice test or practice exam with the front-facing camera. You cannot do that. So, I'm going to send this video out, and what you have to do is sit your side view camera on something so that your computer, your keyboard, your hands, the side of your body is all in the view. All of these things need to be in view at all times. If it is not, and someone is poking around in my course and they see that you are not completely viewed, I have to drop you from the course. I don't want to do that. This is not my policy. This is the college's policy. So if anyone else is confused and asks any more questions, I'm going to refer you back to this video. So make sure that you read the document that I sent out. That was actually the end of it. I'm going to make this a little teeny bit bigger. Okay. So your entire side view needs to be filmed, the entire test. If you have distractions in the room, that's not allowed. If you have children or pets, they're not allowed to be in the room. If you have signs, I had one student put all of these affirmation stickies behind him, and someone was in my course and said, you have to retest them because they're not allowed to have that. We don't have time to retest. No. So it's one and done. And if you don't follow this and you take your test, like say for instance, I give you the password because I saw your practice test was right, and then I check and see that you actually left and went to the bathroom or something like that, I have to change it to a 0. So hopefully this makes it clear. You cannot use a front-facing camera. One more time. You cannot do it. So if you're using your webcam that's facing you, you cannot use that. And you don't have much time to take your exams, which is why I said take the practice exam by tomorrow, because that's when the test opens. You will not be able to access that exam without the password. Thank you for watching.